Hi, can I get a Big Mac meal with a Coke, please?
Sure, a Big Mac meal with a Coke. Anything else?
Yes, I'd like a quarter pounder with cheese meal with a Sprite for my wife.
Okay, a quarter pounder with cheese meal with a Sprite. What else?
For my kids, I'll need a Happy Meal with chicken nuggets and a milk, and another Happy Meal with a cheeseburger and apple juice.
Got it. A Happy Meal with chicken nuggets and milk, and another Happy Meal with a cheeseburger and apple juice. Would you like any sauces with that?
Yes, can I have barbecue sauce and ketchup, please?
Of course, barbecue sauce and ketchup. Anything else for you today?
No, that's it, thanks.
Alright, so I have a Big Mac meal with a Coke, a quarter pounder with cheese meal with a Sprite, a Happy Meal with chicken nuggets and milk, and a Happy Meal with a cheeseburger and apple juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Please drive up to the first window to pay. Your total is $24.89. You're welcome. See you at the window. That will be $24.89, please. Thank you very much. Have a great day. S1. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.